We've all felt it, that gnawing sensation deep within, that deep pang in our chest when someone we love doesn't feel the same way we do. It's a universal experience, this sting of unrequited love, touching hearts across the globe. It can feel isolating, like we're the only ones navigating this particular brand of heartache, lost in a sea of faces. But the truth is, you're not alone. There are countless others who understand your pain. Millions have walked this path before you, their tears watering the very same ground you walk on, creating a river of shared sorrow. It's a shared human experience, this yearning for someone who doesn't yearn back, a longing that binds us all. And it hurts. It hurts like hell, a pain that seems to have no end. The silence from them echoes loudly in our hearts, amplifying the ache, making it hard to breathe. We question our worth, wondering why our love isn't enough. But hold on, take a deep breath. There's strength to be found in the midst of this pain, a resilience that grows within us. It's time to reclaim your heart and remember your worth. You are enough, just as you are. Why does it hurt so much? Because our hearts are wired for connection. We crave reciprocity, the sweet echo of our love bouncing back from another soul. When that echo is absent, it creates a void, a hollowness that can feel impossible to fill. The silence screams. It tells us stories that may or may not be true. We hear whispers of not being good enough, pretty enough, or worthy enough. But don't listen to those lies. They are born from insecurity, not truth. Remember this: you are worthy of love. You are enough just as you are. Don't let anyone, especially someone who doesn't cherish you, diminish your inherent worth. Letting go is a process, not a switch. It's a journey of tiny steps, taken one breath at a time. There will be good days and bad days, moments of strength and moments of agonizing longing. Be gentle with yourself. Start small. Allow yourself to feel the pain, but don't drown in it. Write down your feelings, listen to music that resonates with your heartache, and allow yourself to cry. Tears are your body's way of releasing pain. Don't rush the process. Healing takes time. Be patient with yourself and celebrate the small victories. Each tear you shed, each breath you take, brings you closer to wholeness. Surround yourself with love, the kind that makes you feel safe and cherished. Lean on the people who cherish you, who see your worth, even when you struggle to see it yourself. They are your pillars of strength. Talk to your friends, your family, a therapist. Open up about your feelings and let them in. Let their love be a warm blanket on a cold night, wrapping you in comfort and understanding. Reconnect with the things that bring you joy, the hobbies that make your heart sing. Lose yourself in a good book. Let the words transport you to another world. Dance to your favorite music. Let the rhythm move you and lift your spirits. Or take long walks in nature, where the beauty of the world can soothe your soul. Fill your days with activities that nourish your soul and remind you of the beauty that still exists in the world. Focus on your passions and what makes you feel alive. What sets your soul on fire? What ignites that spark within you? What makes you lose track of time? Find those moments and cherish them. Dive headfirst into those activities. Immerse yourself completely. Pour your energy into creating something beautiful, something that reflects your inner joy. Create something that brings you joy and reminds you of the happiness that life can offer. Section 5. Rediscovering your own reflection. This is a time for profound self-discovery. Use this experience as an opportunity to learn more about yourself, to delve into the depths of your own heart, and rediscover your own strength. What brings you joy? What are your passions? What are your dreams? These questions, often buried beneath the weight of unrequited love, are now your compass. Let them guide you back to yourself. Spend time alone. Get to know yourself again. Take yourself on dates, explore new hobbies, and rediscover the beauty of your own company. You are strong, capable, and worthy of love, especially your own. Section 6. The transforming power of time. Time, that relentless river, has an uncanny way of healing even the deepest wounds. It flows continuously, never stopping, always moving forward. What feels unbearable today will gradually soften, the sharp edges of pain becoming smoother, less jagged. The passage of time brings perspective and understanding. Remember that you are not alone in this journey. The support of loved ones can be a powerful balm for the soul. Millions have walked this path before you, their tears watering the very same ground you walk on. Their stories are woven into the fabric of time. Their resilience, their capacity for love and healing, is a testament to the enduring strength of the human spirit. Trust in the process. Healing is not linear, but it is inevitable. There will be good days and bad days, moments of progress and moments of setbacks. Each step, no matter how small, is a step forward. But through it all, remember that you are strong, you are worthy, and you are loved. Embrace the journey, for it is uniquely yours. Section 7. Embracing openness and growth. This experience, however painful, is an invitation to grow. It's an opportunity to learn about your own strength, your capacity for love and resilience. Embrace the lessons this experience offers. Allow yourself to be vulnerable again. Don't let this experience close your heart off to the possibility of future love. The world is full of people who are capable of reciprocating love, people who will cherish you for the beautiful soul that you are. Keep your heart open. Keep believing in love. Your person is out there, and when the time is right, your paths will cross. Until then, focus on loving yourself, on cultivating joy and meaning in your own life. Section 8. The unexpected gifts of letting go. As you let go of this unrequited love, you create space for something new to emerge. New passions, new friendships, new opportunities for growth and joy. Embrace the unexpected gifts that this letting go brings. You may discover a strength you never knew you possessed, a resilience that surprises even you. You may find solace in unexpected places, forging connections with people and experiences you may never have encountered otherwise. This is a time of transformation, of shedding old skin and stepping into a new version of yourself. Embrace the unknown, the uncertainty of this new chapter. It's in the unknown that we discover our greatest strength and our most authentic selves. Section 9. Finding happiness within. True happiness, lasting happiness, is not found in another person. It's cultivated within. It's about learning to love and accept yourself unconditionally, flaws and all. Focus on your own journey, on becoming the best version of yourself. Pursue your passions, nurture your friendships, and treat yourself with the same kindness and compassion you would offer a loved one. You are worthy of love, especially your own. Embrace your strength, your resilience, your capacity for love and growth. Your happiness is not contingent on the actions or feelings of another. It's found within the depths of your own beautiful, capable heart.